You and I know that to generate a thumbnail is most difficult part of content creation. Many people have reached out to me asking me the editing tool I use in generating my thumbnails. In today's video, we'll be focusing on how to generate your thumbnails using AI tools free of charge. Whether you are using the pro version or you are using the normal version, you will generate your thumbnail free of charge. To begin, the first thing I do is to get my image. I love to use image from my video. So I first of all screenshot the image from my video, just like this, crop some parts that are not wanted, then go ahead and save in my photos. The next thing is to open up your ChatGPT. Once you open your ChatGPT, I'll tell ChatGPT that I made a video using so caption. I will drop the description and the prompts in my description. Okay, do well to check it out, and don't forget to drop your comments once you do so. Let's continue. I'll also tell ChatGPT that I've created a video like this is what it's all about. I give it a little brief so it can give me suggestions on title. In my next video, I'll be telling you guys how to generate your titles, your hashtags, and descriptions for your video. Everything is now made very easy using ChatGPT. So stay glued, and if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so. Once that is done, ChatGPT will give me ideas just like this. You can see here are high clickable captions and options. So I choose any caption that is okay with me. I'll go ahead and say, this is what I want, just like you can see me do so in this video. Now, I will not forget to choose a caption first. And doing so, I will say, this is the caption I chose. So when it's generating the thumbnail, it will use the caption I chose. Please don't forget to, first of all, tell ChatGPT the caption you've chosen, so it will not have any errors, or maybe you go back and forth. Do you understand? So with the little interaction, ChatGPT is in the know of what you're about to do or what it is about to do. Then I'll go ahead and upload my image. Uploading your image, make sure the image is very clear, and that is really what you want, because you don't have much options to generate lots of images in a day. I generate 4 images in a day using the free version of ChatGPT. So don't make mistake to waste your own limit. The next thing is to upload an image. The image I screenshot from the video before now, I will upload it just like this. Once you upload your image, give it a few minutes, it will be uploaded, and then I'll give it instructions. Say, using the uploaded image, generate a high clickbait thumbnail for me. Please maintain the YouTube thumbnail size, because in the past I've had experience whereby the image generated is not the exact size with the required aspect ratio for thumbnails. I had to start resizing it, but since I started giving the instruction that it should maintain the actual YouTube thumbnail size, it's been a lot easier. So once you do that, send, give it a few minutes, ChatGPT will in its usual way generate the thumbnail for you. Honestly, once ChatGPT gives you a thumbnail, you don't need to do any other thing. Just go ahead and save your image and start using it, and it's always a short but do you get? As you can see, the thumbnail is very sharp, very clear, very clean. The next thing is to click on it to expand. Go ahead and click the save up there and save it to your gallery. Yes, I usually go to my gallery to confirm if it's actually saved, and yes, it's saved. As you can see, it is saved in my gallery. I'll just go ahead and upload. That is super easy. This video useful. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment, like, and share. Let me know what you want me to teach you in the next video. I'll be glad to do that. Thank you for watching, as I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, bye.